Rivers of the world. The River Thames. The UK's most famous river is the Thames. It's 346 kilometres long and flows from the Cotswold Hills in the west to the North Sea in the east. It passes through Oxford, Reading, Windsor and London. In fact, it has been an iconic symbol of the capital city for hundreds of years and a great source of entertainment. Apart from strolling along South Bank at sunset, there are lots of great photo opportunities from the London Eye, from any of the 33 bridges, or from the cable cars that cross the river. Visitors can also go on a river cruise and relax as they drift past Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, and the Tower of London. Too slow for you? Well, have you ever tried a speedboat tour? You'll see all the major riverside attractions in the blink of an eye. The Essel River. Kazakhstan's most famous river is the Essel. It starts in the Niaz Mountains and is 2,450 kilometers long. It flows right through the center of Nur Sultan. The Essel is not only a beautiful sight, it is also an attraction for visitors and locals alike. People enjoy walking or jogging along the banks or taking a boat trip. The left bank of the river has lots of attractions, including Bayterek Tower, the egg-shaped building of the National Archive, and the magnificent Nuzastana Mosque, and lots more. In summer, everybody enjoys a trip to the artificial beach that has been built on the banks of the Essel. You can even go swimming there. In winter, though, the Essel freezes over, and that's when people enjoy activities such as ice skating and ice fishing.